gonna keep that bike. Rubber side down.
You in there, ladies and gents? How's it going? It's triumph time, and it's a blooming marvellous day for it. Oh yeah! So what are we doing? We're just going for a burn, out playing. And guess what, ladies and gents? It's blooming summer gloving weather again. Oh yeah! So what's going on? Have you dusted off the cobwebs from your bike yet? Oh, I do hope so. Because you're missing out. You're missing out if you haven't. Oh, I love the sunshine. I really, really do. And it's so good having a little tear up on this little baby. I'm really loving these tyres, the Pilot Road 5s. They're the business. They do just what I need them to do. Go round. Now, I was recently asked, after I posted a video on Instagram, which had some music with it, if I could do a little bit of my Insta360 stuff with the engine noise. So in a bit, I'm going to do just that. But we'll get to a more fun road first though. So here you go, just for you, and you, and you, and you. Well, I hope that was an elegant sufficiency of noise. And what a bike. And what a view. Let's suck it up, buttercup. Let's crack on. Later!
Keep that bike. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down.